Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. I'm checking out this 3-tier rolling utility cart. Features some pretty strong metals here. All right, my friends, just to demonstrate, I have 130 pounds of weight on here, and it is holding it just fine. I can still roll it around on these little casters if I want to. So it's doing just good. It is actually really sturdy. So whether you're putting weights on there or other stuff, this thing gets the job done. All right, well, here's another way we could use this. Just put a bunch of pantry items on there or set it up. You could put plants on here, a whole bunch of different things, guys. And I like how the shelves are nice and deep, so stuff isn't gonna fall off of there. You could use it as a little end table, you know, by your bed or by the end of your couch. Lots of different uses for this. Just a really sturdy cart that looks nice and is gonna last a long time. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.